Today we will discuss about the linear bounded automata and corresponding the language. Before going to the discussion, I want to discuss about the Chomsky hierarchy in the theory of computation. You know that the computations of the Chomsky hierarchy, the grammar can be subdivided into the four types. One is type 0 grammar, that is unrestricted grammar, or type 0 grammar, that is recognized by the Turing machine, and the type 1 grammar, that is context sensitive grammar, that we will discuss today, and which is accepted by the linear bounded automata, and the type 2 grammar, that is context free grammar, and that is accepted by the push down automata, and the type 3 grammar, that is regular grammar, is accepted by the finite automata. Now, what is the linear bounded automata? You have already known about that is the type 1 grammar. And then the model is important because the set of context sensitive language is accepted by this model, and the infinite storage is restricted in size but not in accessibility to the storage in comparison with the Turing machine's model. In the Turing machines, theoretically that is an infinite tape, but practically it is impossible, because if you want to know about the digital computer, there should have a finite memory, but the memory size should so large, but the memory should be a finite. But theoretically, Turing machines is an infinite memory, but here the linear boundary automata, that would be restricted by a linear that is be restricted by the left and right end marker, and it is called the linear bounded automations because the linear function is used to restrict to bound the length of the tape. Now here, if the language L is a context sensitive language, then the L is accepted by the linear bounded automaton, and the converse is also true. Here if you see the tape, the left end marker and the right end marker. So now this is a model of linear boundary automations. Here if you see that this is the input tape, and this is a left end marker, and this is a right end marker. This is a finite tape with n cells. So the W is a string, and the n is W is the length of W is the n minus L, n minus 2, right? And the finite control, and the right head is finite control, and the read head moving to the input tape only the right directions, and the read write head on the working tape with a n number of cells. So this is the basic model of linear bounded automations. Now the next slide. So the in LVA, an ID instantaneous descriptions is denoted by QWK. So QWK here, and where the Q belongs to the set of states, W is the input symbol, so that is belongs to capital gamma, and K is the integer number, that is between that is a number is between 1 and n. The transition of ID is a similar, except that the K change to K minus 1 if the right read write head moves to the left. So K minus 1 and the K plus 1, so it is a read write head moves to the right. So language is accepted by the LBA. There is a W which is belongs to sigma, that is input. So that is the set is minus left end marker and right end marker. So that is any combinations of input symbols, and Q0 is the initial state. So Q0 read the W string, and K the value is 1, that is move one or more time. The Q is the final state, and it is belongs to the F, and the alpha is any string the on the or working tape, and the value of I is between 1 to n, and that is the language is accepted by the corresponding LVA, right? Now, the linear bounded automation's aim is accept a string W if after starting at the initial state with read write head reading the left end marker, M halts over the right end marker in the final state. Otherwise, W is rejected. The production rule of the genetic grammar are constructed same as the Turing machines that we have already discussed, and the following additional productions are need to in case of linear bounded automations. So the AI, which belongs to all combinations of AI, belongs to the capital gamma, and QF dollar, dollar means a right end marker, to QF dollar, that is a right end marker, and the left end marker QF dollar to the left end marker QF, where the dollar the left end marker QF to the QF, that is added to the Turing machines. And otherwise one the generative grammar are same as a Turing machine. So the no change in length, where that is very important. There is no change in length that we have already discussed. That there are two types, and one is right moves, another is a left move. So the right move, the QYAJ to AKQK. So the QI, so QI is a row, QI is a row, and AJ is a column. And if you write here, there is AK, R, QL. So what you will get, that is QJ, QI, and AJ is there. So AJ is replaced by AK, and it will move right side. So now is a QL is the state. So the corresponding that is QIAJ to AKQL, that is the corresponding AKQL. And the left move, that is similar like this, where the AKLQL corresponding to the UI row and AJ column, and that will yield the productions like AMQIAJ to QLAMAK for all M belongs to capital gamma. So here that is QI row and AJ is a column. So the corresponding AK, L, QL. So the AJ is your string and it will pointing by QI. So the AJ will be replaced by AK, and the read write here moves to the left side. So that is QL, and that is on the AM node. So AM, the left side. So AM QIAJ to QL AMAK for all AM is belongs to the capital gamma, right? So here the example where the productions corresponding to the right move. So the 7 right moves, this one is an example. So Q1 left end marker, 2 left end marker Q1, this is this. Similarly, right move is there. So q1 1 2 0 q2 q1 1 2 0 q2, same as an example. The production corresponding to the left move, therefore the left move, suppose this one is the left move, so q1 0 for the all left move case. So left end marker q1 0 to the new state, that is q2 left end marker 1, similar like this example. Similarly, right end marker q1 0, right end marker q1 0 to q2 right end marker 0. So how it is possible? So if you see, that is q1 0. So q1, so the left end marker is another combination. Left end marker q1 0 to q2 left end marker 0. Similarly, if you consider 0 0 q1 0 to q2 0 1, and the last 1 for 1 1 q1 0 to q2 1 1, just like an example. Okay. That is the introduction to a end marker for the introductory end marker for the input string. So the following four actions are included: AI2 left end left bracket, Q1 left end marker AI for all AI belongs to the kept symbols and AI is not equal to B. Similarly, AI2 AI right end marker right bracket for AI to capital gamma, that is the input, that is a tape symbols, and AI is not belongs to B. Similarly, the introductions to end marker, that is left end marker. Similarly, here the left end marker, left bracket Q1 is a user initial state, Q1 left arrow, and AI is a left. So left end marker to AI is a left end marker, right? So introductions of a end marker. So AI is a left end marker. 2 Q1 is your initial state. 2 right end marker, and AI. AI has three types. So Q1, okay. Now we'll add the corresponding LBA productions where AI QF right end marker to QF right end marker. So here the AI is a left end marker, and the final state is a Q4 right end marker to QF Q4 to dollar. Similarly, left end marker QF, that is Q4 to dollar, to left end marker QF, that is left end marker to QF. The production of the genetic grammar obtained by the reversing the arrow of the production. So the first of all, we have to generate the genetic grammar. After obtaining the genetic grammar, we have to reverse the arrow of the productions, and we will get the corresponding type 1 grammar productions. Okay. So that's all. If you have any query, then you can mail me or you have to contact my phone number. Thank you.